This video shows you how to replace the ADF roller kit of your printer. Change the ADF roller kit to prevent streaks in your scanned copies and to avoid paper jams. Turn off the printer. Open the front door, and then turn off the power switch. Open the ADF top cover. Remove the used roller assembly. Remove the separator roller cover. And then remove the used separator roller. Insert the new roller assembly properly. Insert the new separator roller, and then insert the separator roller cover. Close the ADF top cover. Open the front door, and then turn on the power switch. If the display is blank, then press the power button on the control panel.